All right, let's talk about mastering software deployments, how to release new stuff without that constant fear that you're going to break everything. If you've ever wanted to push updates with absolutely zero downtime and have a foolproof escape plan ready to go, well, you are in exactly the right place. Let's dive in. We've all been there, right? You're excited about some new feature, you hit that update button, and poof, the whole thing just breaks. It's so frustrating for us as users, and you can bet it's an absolute nightmare for the developers on the other side. And that, right there, is the heart of the deployment dilemma. A traditional release is this huge, all-or-nothing event. It usually means taking the site offline for maintenance, and if even one little bug slips through, it turns into this high-stress, all-hands-on-deck scramble to undo the damage. But what if there was a way to just get rid of that risk entirely? Well, there is. It's this really elegant strategy called blue-green deployment, and it's all built on a simple but super powerful idea. What if you had two identical parallel worlds for your application? Okay, so here's the core concepts. With blue-green deployment, you're running that's right, two identical production environments. We just call them blue and green to keep things simple. Only one of them is live at any time, handling all your users. The other one, it's a perfect clone, just sitting there, waiting for the next update. Let's break that down. Think of your blue environment as the current live version. It's the stable fortress that's serving your users right now. It is your safety net. Meanwhile, the green environment, that's your workshop. It's where you deploy the new version, you hammer on it, you test it, you perfect it, all while it's totally isolated from any real users. And this is the magic moment. Once you are 100% confident that the green environment is solid, you don't do some complex, scary update. Nope, you just flip a switch. A traffic router instantly, and I mean instantly, redirects all incoming user requests from blue over to green. And for your users, the change is completely seamless. They never even know it happened. So, this sounds great, but how do you actually build it? In the cloud, and especially with a platform like Amazon Web Services, there's a specific set of tools that makes this whole strategy not just possible, but actually surprisingly straightforward. First up, you need a traffic controller. That's your application load balancer, or ALB. Just think of it as the traffic cop standing at a busy intersection. It sits right in front of both your blue and green environments, and its entire job is to decide where to send people. This is the piece that literally flips the switch. Next, you've got your environment managers. These are your auto-scaling groups, or ASGs. You'll have one ASG for blue and another one for green. And each group's job is to run the servers for its specific version of the app, making sure it has all the computing power it needs. Now for the real brains of the operation, the automation engine. This is AWS CodeDeploy. This service is the conductor of the whole orchestra. It's built specifically for strategies like this. It automates the entire process, creating the new green environment, deploying the code, and then telling the load balancer exactly when to shift the traffic. And for really big global applications, you might use something called Route 53. This lets you do the same traffic switch, but at the DNS level. It's perfect for directing users to servers in different parts of the world. Same goal, just a different tool for the job. And finally, the whole thing is orchestrated by a CI/CD pipeline. This is basically an automated assembly line for your code. Using tools like AWS Code Pipeline, a developer just pushes their new code, and the pipeline kicks off, automatically building, testing, and running the entire blue-green deployment without anyone having to lift a finger. Okay, that's a lot of theory. Let's make this really concrete. Let's walk through exactly what happens step by step during a fully automated deployment using AWS. Okay, watch the flow. Step 1, a developer pushes their new code, version 2.0. Step 2, that push instantly triggers the pipeline, which tells CodeDeploy, hey, let's go. Step 3, CodeDeploy spins up that brand new green environment with the new code. Now, here comes the really clever part. Step 4, the load balancer starts sending just a little slice of real live traffic over to green. Step 5, a whole battery of automated tests run to make sure everything is working perfectly with that live traffic. And once those tests pass, Step 6, the final switch happens. All traffic now flows to green and the old blue environment is safely taken offline. And that's it, deployment complete. So, after setting all of this up, what's the real payoff? I mean, why go through the trouble of maintaining two separate environments? Well, the benefits are huge, and really, it all comes down to eliminating drama. And the single biggest advantage, the absolute superpower you get, is this concept of instant rollback.
Let's say you flip the switch to green and suddenly you discover a massive bug. What do? You don't panic. You just tell the load balancer to flip the switch right back to blue.
That's because that old, stable blue environment is still running, totally untouched. It's a safety net for your code. Within seconds, literally seconds, all of your users are back on the proven, working version, and you can go figure out what went wrong in the green environment without any pressure at all. So let's just recap the big wins here. You get zero downtime for your users, period. You get instant rollback for ultimate safety. Your releases can be fully automated and incredibly safe. And, this is a huge one, you get to test your new version with real, live traffic before you commit to the full release. So, to sum it all up, in the world of AWS, you do this with CodeDeploy as the brains, an application load balancer as the traffic cop, and 2 distinct environments for your application. That combination is what gives you the holy grail of software development, zero downtime deployment, and the peace of mind of an instant rollback. And there you have it. That's blue-green deployment. It transforms what used to be a risky, stressful event into a total non-event. But it does leave us with a fascinating question to chew on. This all works beautifully for the application code. But what happens when your new version also needs to change the database? How do you handle that? Well, we'll leave that one for you to ponder. Thanks for tuning in.